Hey guys, welcome back. So in our last video we have seen how to add emojis to our web pages, right? So in this video we are going to do something very interesting, a very simple trick by which we can add videos and audios in our HTML web pages or let's say websites, right? You might be wondering by seeing on various different websites, right? They have videos and audios playing on their web pages. So in this video we are going to learn how to add those audio and that kind of videos on our website. So what you need to do, let's go back to our code editor. And here the first thing that we need is we need an audio file and we need a video file. I have downloaded it from our repository, and I'll give it to you as well if you want to practice with these audio and video files. But if you have your own audio and video file, you can simply download it and place it in a same folder where we are developing our course or wherever we are practicing, right? You can just place it here itself. Actually, what is the best practice is we need to create one folder and we need to place these audio and video in that particular folder so that it is organized in a neat way. But yeah, we'll see that in some time. But for now, I have kept audio and video in this same folder. And going back to this code editor, what I'll do is I'll just create one new file and name it as audio underscore video dot html, right? Perfect. So, and now what we need a boilerplate. What's the boilerplate? Doc type declaration, and then we have HTML start, HTML close, and then we have head, we have not tail, we have body, and then we have title. Title is, let's say, CH22, chapter 22, embedding audio and video in HTML, right? This is what we're going to learn in this video. Perfect. So let's save it and let me go back to my live server. Or you can simply open this particular file in the browser. Perfect. So this is the file that we just now created. Okay. So we haven't added anything here, right? We haven't added anything inside the body, so we are not able to see anything here. So what I'll do is I'll add let's say, yeah, let's go ahead and directly start adding our video file. So the tag that we need to use is as straightforward as its name. It's just video. First we'll add video and then we'll see audio. So this is the video tag where we'll be adding our video, and this is an audio tag where we will be adding our audio. See, whenever we want to play a video, we need a video player to play the video, right? So this tag creates the video player, and to create this video player, what are the parameters that we need to tell? We need to tell browser that this video player has to have a width of XYZ, and then it should have a height of XYZ, and then we also need controls in the sense we need a pause button, we need a volume button, we need a play button, play, pause, volume button, right? So these are the controls. These are known as controls for the video player. So if you save it and see, there is a dummy video player, but there is nothing inside it because we haven't added any video. Right now what we did is we created a platform where we can add our video, right? This is an environment for our video, we can say. just a visual representation for your sake. We have created an environment where we can now go ahead and add our video. So how to add the video? What you need? We need the file, right? We have the file, video file, inside the same folder. See, GWiz_thankyou.mp4. So what I'll do here is what we need a tag called as source. Close it. This source tag will not have a closing tag, so this is an independent tag over here, right? And then what I need to add parameter. Let's say /. Once this environment is created, we need to link that particular video that we have in our folder here, right? So we need to tell this tag, video tag, that where our video is actually present. So how to do that? How to tell this tag from where to pull that video so that it can be, played on the web page. So we'll have this tag called as source and close it, and here we'll add actual source src equals to, and then we need inside this double inverted comma, start and close, we need to write actual link. How to link it? We need to add the path / and GWiz show here, or if it doesn't show in your browser, in your code editor, then you just need to type the name of this particular video after this /, because / in the sense it will start searching inside the same directory, right? And then we need to tell this tag that what is the type of this video. This is MP4 video, so it's a video file which is in MP4 format, and then save it. Let's go back here and refresh. So we have our video over here right now. So this player is too big. So what shall we do? If you don't add width and height, what happens is the actual video size will be played. So what we need is let's say 300 pixels is fine width, and the height can be auto. Let's see if auto works fine, or else we can change it. Yeah, it works fine. See, we got this beautiful play and pause button. We have this progress slider control, and then we have mute or volume button, and then we have full screen mode as well. These are the video player controls, and this is being shown if we have enabled this. If we didn't type it and if we save it, then we cannot play the video actually, because there is no controls over here, right? Let's save it. So this is how we add video to our web page, right? And now there is one thing that I need to specify. What if there are some browsers, older versions of browsers, that doesn't support the video tag? So in that case, here there will be a plain error, or some error will be displayed. Video won't be working or something like that. So what we need to do, for just our understanding, what we need to do, if in case this video tag is not rendered properly, we'll display an error message. Video tag is not working. This can be understood only by a developer. So what if a non-tech guy needs to understand this? Video code is not supported. If you write it here, still you won't see anything over here, because right now video is getting played, right? So in case video doesn't work, in that case this text will be displayed as an error message, so that we will understand, okay, this video is not getting played, so that I can do something else. I can try to fix the browser, or change the browser, or do whatever, try to find some alternatives to play the video, right? So one more thing is, let's say if I want to, as soon as someone visits this web page, the video has to be played. So what if I want to do that? So what I'll do, I'll just type auto play, save it, and now refresh. If you refresh it, see, the thing is, there is this thing called as, whenever we autoplay, the audio has to be muted. It's based on some regulations. So because of which, what we need to do is, if in case you are autoplaying a video, then you must make sure that it has to be muted. So how to do that? We just added autoplay and muted. And if you refresh it, see, video is getting played, but the audio is muted. You can enable it. As soon as someone visits your web page, you don't want a video's audio to be played. At least video is getting played so that someone will know that, okay, something is happening. If I click on audio, I'll be able to listen to the audio as well, right? So now the same thing, the audio format also works exactly same. So what we need here is, we'll add a source, close it, src, and then the file name is sample HTML mp3, and then type, it's audio, and it's mp3. Perfect. So let's go ahead here and see if it is getting embedded. So let me quickly remove this. I don't want this one right now. Okay, so now width 300 pixels, height auto, and then controls. Obviously we need controls. Save. See, so our audio is also embedded perfectly. Let's pause it. And what if I want to autoplay this audio? Save. We need to mute it, I guess. Okay, it's working only when it is muted. Autoplay function is only working when we mute it. So yeah, there is some regulation, there is some restriction. So it's actually good, because we don't want a sudden sound coming out of nowhere as soon as we visit some websites. Even Google doesn't recommend it to autoplay. Even if we do that, they ban our websites from AdSense or AdWords. So yeah, it's fine to mute it and then to add this autoplay button, right? So this is how we add audio, and this is how we add video to our web pages. So I hope you now understood it, how to add audio. Right, so I hope everything is clear. now. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section or in the discussion forum, or if you get stuck in finding the right path or width or height or controls or autoplay, mute, whichever attribute it is, please do let me know. I'll try to help you out. Right, so thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video with some other interesting concepts in HTML. Thank you very much. Have a great day.